Moazzem Hossain Khan. I am back again with a new English lesson today. In our new English lesson today, we are going to learn what an appositive is and what are the places. What the places, in which places we use appositive in sentences. So let me tell you something very important, that an appositive is a noun or noun phrase or noun clause which we place just next to a noun, and an appositive modifies or describes or renames a noun. Appositive can be placed at the beginning of the sentence, at the middle of the sentence, and sometimes at the end of the sentence too. So there are some sentences on the board. So let's look at the sentences. Our first sentence is, Moazzem Hossain, the principal of our college, is an honest person. We can see here, Moazzem Hossain, the principal of our college, an honest person. The principal of our college, this is an appositive. A noun phrase consisting of noun and its modifier. Anyway, this appositive noun phrase trying to modify the noun, Moazzem Hossain. But if we leave this appositive out of the sentence, still the sentence is grammatically correct and still it can make sense. Let's say, Moazzem Hossain is an honest person. Okay? No problem to understand? Moazzem Hossain is an honest person. Whatever you can see here is extra information, trying to give more information about the noun, Moazzem Hossain. So, if we don't use this appositive, still this sentence can make sense. So, the appositive is non-essential here. So, we know when the appositive is non-essential, we have to set this appositive off using comma on the both sides. There is a comma, there is a comma. So let's look at the sentence number 2. Poet Kazi Nazrul Islam was born in Julia. Okay. This is the noun and this is the appositive. Still, this is a noun. Okay. A noun can modify. Noun can be an appositive. Okay. So if we leave it out, and if we only write down, poet was born in Julia, then this time the sentence cannot make much sense. We don't know the poet. We don't know who is this person. There are many poets in the world. So when we give the name here, as you see, poet Kazi Nazrul Islam was born in Julia. So this appositive was essential. Without this appositive, we cannot understand much about something. So this was very important and essential. When the appositive is essential, we do not have to use comma on the both side or any side. Let's have a look at the sentence number 3. Kamal knows Ronnie, a very tall boy. Kamal knows Ronnie, a very tall boy. This is appositive. This is also noun phrase, noun adjective. Okay. Already a noun phrase. So, but if we leave this appositive out of the sentence can make sense. Kamal knows Ronnie, grammatically correct, a sentence. Whatever you can see here as an appositive, this is extra information. Okay. So we have to use comma here. But at the end, we have to use only full stop. We cannot use one more comma here. Okay? This is your better sentence. Number 4. My best friend Hassan has gone to London. Hassan is the appositive here. Only Hassan is the appositive here. So anyway, Hassan, my best friend, Hassan, my best friend Hassan, appositive. But if we leave this out, still the sentence can make sense. My best friend has gone to London. Best friend can be only one person. There should not be many persons. So this is non-essential appositive. Appositive. So remember, an appositive is a noun or noun phrase or noun clause, and we place them just next to a noun or noun phrase to modify, to describe, or to rename the noun. Okay, anyway, this appositive can be placed at the beginning, at the middle, at the end also. So this is all about our lesson today. If you have found my lesson educative, instructive and helpful, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I will be back again with a new lesson. Till then, stay safe and sound. Thank you very much.